Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how do you implement Klaviyo into your WooCommerce website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So what you want to do is go ahead and log into your account if you're not already, and after doing so, here in the home page that appears is going to be at the left side option to access all the settings you have, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. And one of those options is going to be called WooCommerce. So what we want to do guys is open up WooCommerce. So here is now our WooCommerce menu where we can get started with setting up a new store if you do not already have one, and if you have one you can just go ahead and get started with managing it. And now we can get started with adding Klaviyo to our WooCommerce store. So what we want to do guys is open up plugins. You want to open the plugin section right here, the left side screen. You can see we have the plugin section. Once we open up, it's going to go ahead and open up this plugins marketplace where we can take a look at all the plugins we can use for a website. What we want to do guys is search for Klaviyo. Go ahead and search for it, and this is going to give us this results page where we can go ahead and take a look at one of the options that is called Klaviyo for WooCommerce, and this is the option we want to use. So what you want to do guys is click Klaviyo right here, and this is now going to enable you to go ahead and get started with installing the upgrade right here. This is the plugin you want to install. So all you need to do guys is to just go ahead and click the install button that's going to appear right here. Currently I'm on a free plan, so I cannot install it, but all you need to do is just install it and follow the steps and prompts to import your account into Klaviyo and into WooCommerce, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.